students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, the line represented by the pair of linear equation x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 2x plus 4y is equals to 10 are A. intersecting each other, B. perpendicular to each other, C. coincident, and D. parallel to each other. To solve this question, what we'll do, we'll check few conditions. First, if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, then they are intersecting lines. And if A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2, then they are coincident lines. If A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 and is not equals to C1 by C2, then they are parallel lines. And if A1 A2 is equals to minus times B1 B2, then they are perpendicular lines. Okay, so let's check the condition here. So A1 by A2, A1 is 1 and A2 is 2, so it is equals to 1 by 2. Now B1 by B2, B1 is 2 and B2 is 4, so it is equals to 2 by 4 and it will be equals to 1 by 2, correct? C1 by C2, C1 is 8 and C2 is 10, so it is 8 upon 10, which is equals to 4 upon 5, correct? So A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So this is the correct condition, correct? So correct answer will be D option. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.